Hello everybody. In this little clip we're going to look at how to put in a discussion into the LMS page. Okay. First things first, turn editing on. I think we should have that worked out by now. Discussion is an activity, and we'll find it under the Add Activity or Resource menus. Since Mehmet's little block here remains empty, we'll add a discussion into Mehmet's block there. Add Activity. Right. And now, the only thing you need to remember when adding a discussion is that it's not called discussion in the Moodle menu. It's actually called forum, and here it is. A discussion forum, a place where people meet to have a discussion. Right, so we select it. And we take a look at the explanation on the right. And we see that this module has certain features. The major feature is it allows participants to have asynchronous discussions. Asynchronous. Right? Opposite of asynchronous is synchronous. And synchronous means at the same time. And that is exactly what chat is. Everyone is present at the same time. Everybody is exchanging messages. In the asynchronous forum, they enter the discussion at different times, convey their messages, reply to other people, and this could be at any time of their choosing. In this forum module, it's open to anybody really to start a new discussion if you want to set it up like that. You can attach images, you can attach files, and so on and so forth. What can you use it for? A simple social space, announcements, discussing a course, as a help or advice centre, and more. Okay, let's get on and add it. There we go. Okay, now Mehmet and his group were originally going to work on setting up a campaign to support cancer patients in North Cyprus. I don't know whether that's still the idea, but in any case, let's follow that for now. And we'll put in something here. Again, apart from the name, you'll see a description is suggested. Right. What is this discussion going to be about? So you might start off by having a little stem. In this discussion, we'll be looking at ways ways in which we can support cancer patients in North Cyprus, please post your ideas. So when you start these discussions, you have to really give some input and suggestions to the people who participate in the discussion. Let's display it. Display this description, yes. Usually it's easiest just to stick to the standard forum for general use. But you'll see there are some other options should you choose. If you wanted to put attachments, a little bit of reading for example, you could do so from here. But for now let's just save and display. And now when you go in as a user, you come in and you add a new topic. Right? Now we've already got the topic actually, which is here. So let's just stick it in. Okay, this is just to get things going there. Now what you do when you put in your message, if I wanted to put an attachment, I can basically drag or drop a file from my computer straight into the message. And then basically post. And there we are. Discussion, how to support cancer patients in North Cyprus, started by John Eldridge. Last post. Don't forget, if you want to make any changes, you have your, is it this one? I'll just check it. Yes, settings button. And one thing perhaps we ought to just mention, I'm just looking at the other options here. Yeah, and there is an expectation for completion, for completing the discussion. And with a topic like this, which is very open, we might want to give ourselves plenty of time for it. There we are. Back we go. Take ourselves back to the home page. And now we have our first discussion. So I think it'll be good for all of you to make use of the discussion module and to head off back to your page once you have viewed this video and add an appropriate discussion to your activities. Okay, see you next time.